How to buy or purchase Tron TRX easily.
Disclaimer. This is meant purely for informational purposes. What you decide to do with this information is up to you. The video, channel, and associates cannot be held liable for any outcomes by taking action on information provided. Also, any referral links can possibly lead to the creator of this content receiving compensation. Thank you for your support in advance. Enjoy.
So you're becoming more and more aware of the Tron TRX cryptocurrency. You want to know how to buy or purchase this for yourself. You might have missed out on Bitcoin and other big crypto coins, but you don't want the same thing to happen here too. Well, this was put together so you won't miss out, my friend. Plus a short review of what Tron is and hopes to do. Let's get this baby started. So, just in case you didn't know, what is Tron TRX? Tron can be described as a blockchain-based decentralized protocol that aims to build a global, free content entertainment system with the use of blockchain and distributed storage technology. The protocol will give each user the ability to publish, store, and own data. This will be in a decentralized autonomous form. Users will be able to decide distribution, subscription, and push of contents, among other things. Tron tokens are the official currency of this blockchain-based protocol. Tron is currently the 6th cryptocurrency in the world among the top 10 as of January 5, 2018, according to CoinMarketCap. So now that you know all that, how can one buy Tron for themselves? For those who want to know how to buy a Tron, this is how you can do it. The most straightforward way is to buy it off of a cryptocurrency exchange market like Binance. But before you buy it, you need to know how to store it. Your Tron coins will need to be kept in a digital wallet. The most highly recommended one is to go to myetherwallet.com to create one. When setting up your wallet, you will be asked to download a key store file. You will download and read and understand the warnings and instructions that are given to you. You will also want to back up this file somewhere secure like a USB drive or external hard drive. Once this is done with, you will be given your own private key that's unencrypted for your wallet. You will always want to keep your private key to yourself. If you share it, then anyone can open up your wallet and take said coins. You might want to print it out and place it somewhere like a safe deposit box or personal vault. You also will want to delete any reference to it on your computer or devices. This will help if you ever get a virus, malware, or visit a site that has malicious advertisement code. You can also just print out a paper wallet that will have everything you need just in case you lose your key store file. You can also choose to store your cryptocurrency on a hardware wallet too, and there are several good ones to choose from like Trezor or Ledger. You will need to use your address that is given to you from MyEtherWallet in order to send your newly bought Tron to your wallet or holding. It is generally a long string of letters and numbers labeled as your address. You can copy it and also place it somewhere safe. You need to buy Ethereum in order to trade it in for Tron. You can go to a place like Coinbase and purchase as much Ethereum as you want. There will be a link that gives you $10 of free Bitcoins if you use it and spend over $100 provided below. Once you sign up with Coinbase and purchase your Ethereum, you will want to go to Binance to exchange Ethereum for Tron. Create your account at Binance. It is strongly recommended that you set up a two-factor authentication on your account. If a hacker does get a hold of your password, the second level of authentication security makes it difficult for them to actually get into your account. There is an app called Authy that can help with this on your smartphone or web browser. Once in your Binance account, you can go to Funds and hit the Deposit Withdrawals. This will show any coins you have already, but it will probably be empty since you just set up your account. Type in Ethereum in your search box. Find Ethereum and then hit Deposit. You will then be given an Ethereum address to send your Ethereum from Coinbase or wherever to. You will also want to copy this address and keep it safe. Make sure you copy the address correctly, because if you send it to the wrong address, you lose them. You can go back to Coinbase and send your Ethereum to your new Ethereum address on Binance. It can take up to 20 to 60 minutes for them to appear once sent. Once it shows up, then you can go trade it for Tron on Binance. Want more info and advice about Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and more? Check out the links in the description or beneath this video. Plus, learn how to get free Bitcoins and lots more. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching this Crypto Cash Ready video.
Special bonus. Grab special free offer worth $10 of Bitcoins now. Go to http://bit.ly/coinbase time. Again, go to bit.ly/coinbase time.